In this video, we will look at how to create bookmarks from a PDF table of contents using the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. The bookmark table of contents operation does the reverse of generating a table of content. It builds a complete bookmark hierarchy from the table of contents that already exists inside your PDF. AutoBookmark analyzes your table of content page or pages, reads the entry titles and page references, locates the corresponding destinations, and creates matching parent-child bookmarks for instant, clickable navigation. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to identify your table of content pages, tune recognition settings, and convert the entries into a clean, well-organized bookmark tree, turning a static table of contents into a set of PDF bookmarks. To do this, first navigate to the menu button on the top left-hand side corner of the screen. Click on the Plugins menu, then select the Bookmarks option, and click on the Bookmark Table of Contents menu. Check the desired processing settings and click on the OK button. The Bookmarks panel will be opened automatically. It is preferable to have it closed prior to running this operation, because sometimes Acrobat may not update it correctly with new entries. You should see new bookmarks added to the document. Click on the bookmarks to display a corresponding page to verify the results. If you have selected an option to add links to the table of content entries, then scroll back to the page with the table of content entries and check the hyperlinks added by the process. Click on the links to make sure everything is working as expected. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.